Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set VLC Media Player as your default video player. Whether you want all your videos to automatically open in VLC, or you just prefer using VLC for its features and reliability, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, click on the Start menu and go to Settings. Once you're there, type Default Apps in the search bar and select it from the list. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important steps. Next, scroll down to the Video Player section. Here, you'll see the current default app for playing videos. Click on it, and a menu will appear showing all available video players. From this list, select VLC Media Player. This action will set VLC as the default program for opening all video files on your computer. To make the process smoother, a quick tip is to ensure VLC Media Player is already installed on your system before doing this. Doing this beforehand saves time and prevents any issues with selecting the default app. Once you've completed these steps, you can test it by opening any video file. It should automatically launch in VLC Media Player. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll have VLC set as your default video player without any hassle. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it.